Adding captions to your video can be very important. Over 60% of viewers watch longer when captions are on, especially when you use the viral one. But captions are laid out in different forms, and that is what I'm about to show you in this video. Also, I don't know, maybe you've come across some videos whereby their image are set to display behind them, even text, but you wonder how they do it. In this video, I will show you how you can set your image, your text to display behind you. And you know the first thing to do, you import your video. Once you import your video, you do all your edits on it, that is the trim, the cutting out of unnecessary parts of your video. So once all that is done, let's add your captions on it.